There is no thing else to do. So, wait, where's Dio? Dio. Well, I don't know where Dio is, but the likely put the shield thingy on there, and I already put the shield on Earth. Dio must be busy. Yeah, Dio must put a shield over there on Earth. What is that? I already have my helmet on just in case, anyways. Well, I don't understand it. I can't even get close to it. Maybe using Hypermoon. Nope, didn't work. Okay, I don't know what to do. Wait, I see something way over there. Super gems. One, two. Okay, I have all the super gems. Oh. Whoa. Looks like I turned into my super form. Okay, let me keep my... Or not my... Let me keep the super gems in my inventory. Oh. Whoa. Almost done breaking the first shield. Well, I got forced back here. When the arms are broken, now the force field around his eyes and body are gone. Nice. Time to hit the eyes. One eye almost. You must fully use the hyper moon to defeat all the eyes. Okay, when I get all the eyes mostly almost popped, then I'm gonna use it. Here it goes. They're like one of them popped. You must. So it could be easier with this. Boom. Got the heart exploded. Yeah, I know, it must have hurt. Since the heart weakened the whole force field and most of the nerves. Now I could just pop all the eyes out with one hit. Okay, I'll clean this up. Okay, almost done. Now I should at least take this out. I just don't think this villain, or not villain, this beast won't show up again. Almost done. I think one more explosion should do it. At least on the top it should be good. Yeah, that should be good. Oh. Whoa. I mean, at least bubble the super gems with this. Whoa. LightningDude. LightningDude's amulet. LightningDude's clock. Wonder what that's for, but okay. LightningDude's bow. And LightningDude's bow. And with my clothing, of course. So yeah, I wonder what's gonna happen next. I wonder what I could do now. Oh, look like some of it getting destroyed. Not destroyed, but disappearing. Here, let me help. Since that beast is gone, now we could just do whatever I could do now. But Leo isn't here. He must be warping to the Dream Lord, I think. Or something like that. I don't know. Okay, almost done. I like that destroyed. Since that beast is gone now, I wish there was a quicker way that I could at least get this not force field, but this thing out of the way quicker. But I'm almost done taking this force field out. Okay, everything is done. You must go back to your dream world, or the planet Earth. Okay, then let's go. Whoa. That villain didn't work. Or that alien third power Nava didn't work. Darn, what can I even do with all these villains that I'm setting them out for him? Don't really know what I could do now. Maybe I could open something. To other dimension or something. Here you go. Made a little thing for LightningDude to enjoy from other dimensions. Hope he enjoyed that. Well, I'm up here while he's down there. So, I want to see what happens to him now. Whoa. Look like I'm back here again. Everything looked like it had changed. Ooh, more room. I enjoy being back here in the dream world. Oh, that warp thingy is gone. Weird. And my TV is gone for some reason, but okay. The dream ride is still here. My healing station is still here. Oh, a beacon. Other beacon. Other beacons. Weird. Other beacons. Beacon. That one looked kind of weird because the other one doesn't. The other ones doesn't have anything darken or lighten, but they have light to it. What is that? No. I'm gonna send a message to the others. Well, I could do that later, so I must worry about this. May continue in the next chapter, which is the movie.